Okay then, year six. So welcome back, lesson 24. I put a little bit of time. So we haven't done much time work, if any, so far. But I just want to see where you guys are in the grand scheme of things, okay? So let me just make that a tiny bit smaller so you can see everything. Okay, so you can see here I've written convert. And you've got a little roughly drawn table. Let me just put lines there. So one there. And one there. Okay, so you can see here we're converting minutes into hours and minutes, or going the other way, hours and minutes into minutes. Got a little key here to help. So how many minutes are there in an hour? 60 minutes. So 2 hours is going to be double 60. 3 hours would be, we add on another 60 to 120. And then the last one would be 240. As you'll see why I've done that as we go through it now. So you've got to work out, how many minutes there are with hours and minutes, or conversely, you've got to convert the minutes into hours and minutes. So I won't say anything else. Have a go. All right, because we're going to go through the answers in a minute anyway. So pause the screen, and then once we've gone through that, we're going to give you some time word problems as well. All right, so take your time, press play when you want to go through the answers. Good luck. All right, so for this first one, 1 hour and 5 minutes. Well, the 1 hour, 60, add the 5, 65 minutes. Next one, 125 minutes would be 2 hours, which is 120, and then we've got the 5 minutes left. 140 minutes would be 2 hours, 20 minutes. Okay, now we're going the other way. So 2 hours and 52 minutes. Well, the 2 hours is 120. 120 add 52 is 172 minutes. The next one, 3 hours and 17. 3 hours is 180. 180 add 17. 197. Why is that so scruffy? Sorry. And then the next one, okay, so we're going the other way this time. So 192 minutes. So how many hours can we take out? We can take out 3 hours, which is 180. And then we've got 12 minutes left. And the last one, 5 hours and 28 minutes. Well, if I finish this off, 5 hours would be 300 minutes. And I've also got 28 minutes to add to it, so it would be 328 minutes. Right, some of those are quite challenging, and we haven't done time before. So if you got them all right, superb. So there were 7 problems. 5 out of 7, 6 out of 7, that's brilliant too. I've put now, let's work out some journeys. So you can see this is the last thing I'm going to ask us to do today. So for some of these, I've said what time we leave. I've said how long the journey takes. What time do you arrive? And then others, you can see I've just given you like the start time and the finish time, and you have to work out how long the journey took. All right, so again, I won't say anything else. Good luck. Pause the screen now. Press play when you're ready to work through the answers together. All right, so for this first one, all right, so we left at 7:15. We got to add an hour and 6 minutes on. So that would be, we would arrive at 8:21 a.m. So the next one, you can see I've written, right, we leave at 10:30, we arrive at 12:55. So the journey time took us 2 hours, which would take us to 12:30. And then we need to add on the 25 minutes as well. Right, this next one, that's a 6. We're working backwards, aren't we? So we arrived at 3:06 a.m. and we got to work out, well, if the journey time took us 13 minutes, we got to go back 13 minutes. So the answer is, I'm going to go back 6 minutes first of all, take me to 3 a.m. and then I got to go back. So the first, that bit there, sorry, it's a bit scruffy, isn't it? So that first bit took me minus 6 minutes. And then I've got to do minus 7 minutes, because the 6 and the 7 added together give me my 13 for my journey time. So the answer is 2:53 a.m. That might have been the trickiest one I asked you to do. Right, the next one, let me just get rid of that so it's not in the way. Cut. All right, so the next one, what was I asking you? The time, all right, 2:15 p.m. you got to your destination at 4:38 p.m. So what do I add to get up to here? I add 2 hours, 23 minutes. 2 hours, 23 minutes. All right, and the last one. All right, so you set off at 2 minutes past 10 o'clock in the evening. So you set off at 10:02. Right, and your journey time was 85 minutes. Well, again, I'm going to convert that into hours and minutes. So if I convert that into hours and minutes, it's 1 hour, 25 minutes. So I'm going to add on my 1 hour first of all. I'm at 11:02. And then I'll add on my 25 minutes. So I get up to 11:27 p.m. They were challenging. All right, if you found those tricky, you are not alone. Okay, relax, because we're going to do some more time tomorrow. Okay, so there's all your answers for your journeys. So well done for having a go, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Have a great day. Maths is fun.